Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get no credit check pre-qualification credit card step by step. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 personal credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember that in this video I'm going to tell you step by step all the application process as well as the eligibility criteria, its perks, and of course the upsides and the downsides. So please watch this video till the end in order to know about this card in detail, and of course I will tell you that how you can apply for this card with simple steps. And in order to know that, watch the video till the end, and let's start the video, and the countdown begins. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So as you can see right in front of you, here's an amazing opportunity, especially for the people who have bad or worst credit. Yes, so if you have bad credit, you can get this credit card pretty easily. And the one thing I love about this credit card, that it has a no credit check pre-qualification. It means that it will not affect your credit score at all, and it takes less than a minute, and of course you can review your offer and apply. So now let me get into it and tell you that what are the perks and stuff. So I will tell you each and everything step by step. So the first thing, as I already told you, that it will not affect your credit. So of course, as soon as you apply it, when you actually put your information and even your social security number, they will not do a hard pull to your credit. They will only do a soft pull, and it is such as no credit check means there will not be a single effect on your credit, and they will tell you right away that what's the decision. As I already told you that it's going to take less than a minute to complete the application and pre-qualify for it. Yes, so the great thing about this card is that as soon as you fill it out, it's gonna take less than a minute, so probably 50-55 seconds for the offer to appear. So now when it does appear, you can review your offer and apply. So remember, if they show you your offer, for example, here is the form right here. You put your first name, middle name, last name, suffix, home address, city, state, zip code, email address, social security number. Don't worry about it, it's a general requirement. They are not going to do a hard pull, so it means it will not affect your credit score at all. And of course they will ask you for your total monthly income. It's not yearly, it's monthly. Put your phone number, your date of birth, and I always tell you guys that always put the information and that should match the information on your credit report. Yes, so whatever information you put right here in this application, it should exactly match the information you have on your credit report. So what you can do, as soon as you do that, you fill it out and you click on see my card offers. So what they will do, they will give you an offer, right? So the offer will pop up, and that offer is actually final. So even though if they are going to do a hard pull right after that on your credit, it will not change your credit decision or whatever the offer they have given you already. So yeah, so it works like this. You fill the form, they will give you an offer with no credit effect, and of course no hard inquiry on your credit. So as soon as you accept it, they will do a hard pull right after that. Remember, it's a pre-qualification, so no credit check, pre-qualification. So as soon as you accept the offer, they will do a hard pull, but that hard pull will not change the decision you got with no credit check or just a soft pull. So remember this and keep that in mind. Couple of more things that I want to talk about this credit card. This is really amazing. Believe me, this is the card for a lot of people out there who are looking to build their credit and who don't want to give any sort of collateral or money. So you know, in most of the secure cards, what happens that you actually give $300, then they will give you in return the credit card for $300. So it's basically your own money. But this one, it is not a secured card, it's an unsecured card. So what unsecured card means, that when you apply for it, they will give you a credit card with a pre-filled money in it, so you won't have to give a single penny to them. So the credit limit they're gonna give you is starts from $300 to $750. Yes, the APR is 25.90% to 25.99, and it's pretty high. Remember, as I already told you, that this is a card for bad or worse credit, so you can apply for it and you can get it if you have bad credit. Now when it comes to the annual fee, there are loads and loads of options with zero annual fee, but it's for the people who have good credit score. So keep that in mind if you want to have a master credit card and you have really bad credit. So you can get this credit card. It's the fee starts from $75 to $99. So remember, it's a bit high. It's not a bit high, it's very much high, because if you get $300 of credit card, then they're gonna charge you $99, means $100. So they're not gonna do that right away. They will actually charge you every month for it. So for example, if you get accepted for $300, the first one, you might be giving them around $9 or $9.50 or $8 as the fee. So what I mean by as a fee, they will deduct it monthly. So remember that it's not a big thing. You can keep that card for 6 months and you can build your credit. Then you can apply for higher tier cards once you see that your credit is actually better. And remember that all pre-qualified offers are based on credit worthiness. I already told you it's a no credit check soft pull. Soft pull means that they will check your credit with no effect. So whatever the score is, they will tell you your annual fee according to that. If your credit is like worse than worst, they will give you the card for $75 annual fee. If it's the worst in the world, then they will give you $99 yearly annual fee. So now there's zero fraud liability. Of course, card holders are not held responsible for unauthorized charges on the Reflex card. It happens that whenever you go to the gas station and use the card, sometimes your card get overcharged, and in different retail stores it happened with me. So they will do a $0 fraud liability. So of course they will return your money if you are a victim of fraud or any sort of thing like this. So now let's talk about the potential credit limit increase. Yeah, this is a great thing that you may be eligible for a credit limit increase after 6 months of required monthly payment, subject to the income and underwriting criteria at the time of review. Yes, so after 6 months they will consider your application for a credit limit increase. Make sure that you are paying this card in full, because you don't want to carry balance in it and get charged for the APR. So if you are paying it in full, you are good to go. You can get the credit limit increase after 6 months. And the lovely thing that how you can build your credit is they actually report to all 3 major credit bureaus such as Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. So yes, they report your payments to it, your utilization rate, and of course your credit account. So it will help you to build your credit, so don't worry about it. You can do that. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 personal credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember, please like this video. It helps the channel grow and it shows that you guys really like our content. So I will see you the next time. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.